step 5 of solving the Rubik's Cube. So you have, from the previous step, a yellow cross or a yellow plus on the top of your cube. The goal of this step, step 5, is to get a completely yellow top. Keep in mind that, like with the yellow cross, it does not matter what colors the sides of that top layer are. Our only intention is to get the entire top of the cube to be yellow. So after you've followed the steps and you've achieved a yellow cross, you could have a cube that looks like a number of different things. First, you could have a cube with just a yellow cross and no yellow corners. Second, you could have a yellow cross with one yellow corner. We call this the fish because it looks like a fish orientation. Lastly, you could have a yellow cube with yellow cross with two corners solved. It could be these two corners or it could be adjacent corners. So you could have 0 corners, 1 corner, or 2 corners solved on your Rubik's Cube. Like with the last step, it doesn't matter how many corners you have solved, we're going to use the same algorithm regardless. However, the way that you orient your cube is going to matter. You're going to orient it a specific way first, depending on what the top of the cube looks like, and then you're going to apply an algorithm. So let's start with what I think is the easiest, which is when you have one corner solved. If you have one corner solved, you're going to turn the cube so that the fish is swimming downward toward the left. And then you're going to apply the algorithm for this step. The algorithm is RU, R prime U, RU2, R prime. So I'm going to make my fish swim downward to the left, and I'm going to do RU, R prime U, RU2, R prime. You'll see all I got was another fish. So I'm going to turn my fish down to the left, and I'm going to do the algorithm again. RU, R prime U, RU2, R prime. And you will see that I have now solved the top yellow. Let's see what we're going to do with those other cubes. If I have a cube with 0 corners solved, I'm going to turn the cube or orient it so that I have a yellow sticker on the left side in the front. Again, if I have a yellow cross, I'm going to turn the cube so I have a yellow sticker on the left front. Now you can see on this cube I actually have a yellow sticker on this left front as well. It doesn't matter. Just make sure it has a yellow sticker on the left side front. And then I apply my algorithm. RU, R prime U, RU2, R prime. Once I've done that, I look and see what I've got on top. Now look, I have a fish. I make that fish swim down and to the left, and I do my algorithm again. RU, R prime U, RU2, R prime. And I've solved the top of my cube. Let's do another cube. This one has 2 yellow corners solved. If you have 2 yellow corners solved, you're going to orient your cube so that you have a yellow sticker on the front left, the front side, the left. And then you're going to do your algorithm. RU, R prime U, RU2, R prime. You can see now you have a fish swimming down to the left. Here you go. RU, R prime U, RU2, R prime. I've got that fish again. I'm going to turn him down to the left. RU, R prime U, RU2, R prime. And now I have the yellow top on my cube. As with the others, remember all I wanted was the yellow top. It doesn't matter what's on the sides, but I have successfully created step 5 if I have a yellow top.